This girl that you are seeing here, he go meet his boyfriend. After he meet his boyfriend, he come run mad. So it's not much that your boyfriend will slaughter you. No. Satan have different strategy. Some of the young girls, you will see them, they are shining, painting their bodies. But the gold and diamond they have, they literally have took it from them because of money. They sold their birthright. Some of the young girls will not have child again in their life. Some of the young girls have been useless, but they don't know. They have taken their destiny because too much money. They need money. They want money. They want money. They can do anything. They can sleep with the old man. What they need is money. They can sleep with anybody. They can sleep with the madman. They can sleep with anybody. What they need is money. And very soon, they will marry. Innocent man will come marry the girl. Ibolo should blow your husband. Ibolo should drain your husband. After you do all those hookup, everything, those guys, the way they do usual, and they will, don't take precious thing that God gave you. Now you will end up with innocent man. The innocent man will suffer what he don't know. You people should stop it. Now most of you will be saying, I will never go to a man's house. If the man invited me into his house, I will not come that place. I will only tell the man, hotel. Let him pay hotel. Let us go to hotel. I will not follow him anywhere. I will not follow him go to his house. Some of you people may be thinking such thing like that because I know that Satan will be putting those ideas in your heart. Some of the young girls, hookup young girls, they are afraid based on what happened to Andrew and the two girls. I have seen many young girls that visited their boyfriend. After they visited their boyfriend, on their way going back house, they run mad. They run mad. It's happening. Can't you people see it on social media? Or the girl will just collapse by they have used that girl to do sacrifice. Some will not happen that moment. Some will give like 5 years or 7 years or 1 year or 2 months gap before that sacrifice will start manifesting in that life of that young girl. Listen to me. Many young men now, many young boys, the way they are looking for money, the way they are seeking for money, if the babalawo, if the native doctor tell them they should do anything the native doctor tell them, they will do it, because the way young boys, the way this generation are seeking for money, it's too much. It's too much. It's too much. Any assignment that the native doctor tell them to do, they will do it immediately. Don't say hotel. Even though in that hotel you are not safe in that hotel, then do you think that these people are using ordinary power? Some of them use spiritual power. They will shame you. As long as two of you have make love, they will shame you. When they will speak, you obey them. They will give you something to drink or eat. You don't know. As long as two of you have sleep, they have shame you. They will tell you, okay, baby, let's go. You follow them. You will follow him. You will not know what you are doing at that time. You follow him, go. He will slaughter you. So don't say that it's only hotel. I will be going only hotel. I will not follow the person to go to his house. Even in that hotel, you are not safe in that hotel. You are not safe in that hotel. These people have different strategies they are using to do their work. You know, as I said before, that children of darkness, they are serious to do the work of their master. They are serious. Satan, not the play friendly match. Satan is serious for his business. Satan is not a joker. He's serious for his business. Let me stop this message here. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagoba. Share this